In this Power BI lesson, we'll start by understanding what business intelligence actually means and why it's important for organizations working with the data. You'll learn how raw data gets transformed into insights that help businesses make better decisions. Let's begin with the fundamentals of business intelligence.
So what is business intelligence? It has been around for a while. If you will look out on the internet, you will actually see quite a lot of definitions of BI. But this is one of the definitions that I personally like. It's really set of technologies that you use to collect the data, transform the data, and then analyze the data to extract the insights. And once you extract the insights, it should allow you to make a decision, and that decision should have some form of an impact on the business. So I've created some very basic infographic. Like, this is what the idea of the business intelligence is. If you're just producing like beautiful looking dashboards and reports, which by the way does happen all the time, if you're just producing reports for the sake of producing reports, it's, you can enjoy it for a while, but it's not really useful. The idea of a report is it should tell a story. That story should allow you to extract some form of insights, and those insights should allow you to make some kind of a decision which should impact the business in terms of higher profits or lesser risks, etc., etc. I've also collected some, good infographics from the internet, which kind of explains the essence of BI. Still, it's very abstract understanding until we go down into the technical part and see it step by step ourselves in Power BI. But it's just good to have an abstract understanding. Like, this is one of the good infographic. Um, so what we do is we just take the data. So if you will see on the left, it's the data. It's unsorted, unclean, raw data spread across the organization. We just take the data and pass it through a process to extract the value out of the data. So we clean it, we transform it, we connect the data in a certain way, we connect it with the human experience, and that's where the wisdom actually comes in. So it's actually a process of converting a data of less value to more value. So you extract the business insights out of it. This is also very interesting. You can actually think of it in this way. So these are Lego blocks. You can, have an analogy with the data. You can sort it, then you can arrange it, then you can present it visually, and then you explain it with a story. And as we go through all the steps in Power BI, you will be able to connect all these abstract concepts with what we actually do with the data in Power BI. So it's a very interesting visual. Okay, steps involved in Power BI. And what I will do is I will actually share my screen. I will turn my camera off. I will share my screen and actually draw something for you. And I just want to explain how we do data analysis or some form of business intelligence using Excel, because what you might not realize is a lot of you are already doing business intelligence using Excel. But what Power BI allows you to do is it kind of allows you to do business intelligence on steroid. It solves some challenges which exist in Excel. And once we understand and kind of expand on how we do business intelligence in Excel, you will be able to understand what Power BI does and what Power BI actually solves. So I'll just share my whiteboard.